Something that comes up a lot for me in Photoshop is needing to resize my artboard or background or document size or canvas size. And that means not just changing the size of a single layer, but changing the entire thing. So when I export it out, it'll be the size I want. And in this case, I need it to be 1920 by 1080. So this image is not 1920 by 1080. I need to change the whole background size accordingly. And I'm going to show you how to do it. And there's a little trick to it, so I just want to go over that. And the trick is, when you resize it, you're going to go up to Image on the top left, and you'll see there's an option called Image Size. This is sneaky because it seems like the right option, but it actually will change the image size of the layer you're on and warp that image accordingly. So it's not what you want. What you want, if you have the same goals as me, is to change your canvas size. So hit that. And now you can enter in whatever size you want, 1920 by 1080 in my case. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just going to need to fill in the background because that's a lot of extra space. So I'm just going to add in a layer, pull it to the bottom, and I'm going to edit, hit edit, and then fill. You may need to do something different. You can maybe expand your image to make it larger, but for me, this is a good way to fill in that extra space. And here I have a color picker. So I'm going to pick a color that is close to my background, select OK, OK, and look at that, nice and blended. So I can move the image to a spot that I think is good, and now I can just quick export it out. Okay, File, Export. You can quick export as a PNG or a JPEG, or you can hit Export As and select the type of image that you want to export it as. I'm going to do quick export. I'm going to call it Pickup Keys 3. And now if I go to my images, I can see that I have created a perfectly resized 1920 by 1080 image, and it is done exactly like I want. So I hope this helped you guys. If it did, check out my playlist in Photoshop for more, and thank you for watching.